All right, so we're experiencing some problems with why your Google Sheets isn't working if you're using a Chromebook. Come here, get right down in here, and then we want to go to our settings. So I'm going to click here to go to my settings. When the settings come up, we want to go to device. You could also go right here in the search box and type keyboard, but you can get it by device and then click keyboard. I want to scroll down, and down here, change language or is where I want to go. So if I click there, it's going to bring this up. Notice it for mine, it says US keyboard enabled. For some of you, that might not be the situation, and you might need to change it to the US keyboard. So if I click here, a lot of you have it in US International, and that is what's messing up, and that's why you keep getting a error or a false statement when you're typing in the cell. So make sure you hit US keyboard, and then you should be good to go.